everyone, my name is Tamarah and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a bullet hole on my dad's forehead. That's it.
So what we're sticking with?
Yep. Ew.
Oh, was it sitting up against the lid the whole time? Made the lid go soggy.
Oh, that'll be good actually.
Isn't that out of there?
Yeah, but I don't need it. That's alright.
Doesn't it make it stop it from leaking though?
No.
Pretty sure it does.
Okay. There's a brush in there. I'm just going to take that off. Ugh. Oh, it stinks. There we go.
Wow. It's weird you use toilet paper.
That's what everyone uses. Yeah. It will give it a cool effect.
So you've researched this?
Yes. Sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for that to dry.
I'm in the camera because I'll move back a bit.
Do you want to look dead as well?
Sure. You're a very messy makeup artist.
Sorry. Making your face look pain.
Is it working?
Kind of. I think I'll do like under your eyes.
Oh, black.
Yeah. It's just coffee.
More pale.
Yeah.
Oh, feels weird.
That did a big thing actually.
Hey?
That actually did.
We're good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Looks like a bird shit on my forehead.
It's not done yet.
Oh my god, what are you doing? This is scary.
It's alright. Oh, it looks like barbecue sauce.
Is it washed off in hot water with the brushes or not?
Yeah, probably, but I'll just never do it.
Oh my god. You need to buy like a barber apron.
Close your eyes.
Oh my god. Oh! Alright, that's not a good idea.
It is if I just stay. Oh, there we go.
Oh! Ah! Ah!
Just hold that under.
Oh! I feel that's too much. That's cool.
Can I do one more?
No, we don't need any more blood!
Just do it right here. Okay, I think that's it.
Alright, so now we know for future reference not to stick that thing in the blood bottle.
I think it was a great idea.
Let's go in my nostril.
It's okay.
Let's go in my nostril. It's makes me want to sneeze. Are you taking photos or video?
I was gonna do a video. Close it. This is part 2. My dad is gonna be making me into Jigsaw.
Why do that?
I'm showing them what Jigsaw is, in case no one knows. I get to go get paint on this top, I don't even like it. I'm excited.
You alright now? Sorry, I lied. I'm doing you as a mime. Oh, get that out. Get that out. So now you got to try not to move your eye like your forehead and that, otherwise you'll crack a plate. Okay. You're staring so weird. It's like intense stares.
Sorry. I'm just trying to stay still.
Go do your eyebrows.
I can hear me if it's eating something. It might just be the wood, but you should check.
Eric's still alive.
You right? Cleaning the window? Oh.
Getting the blood off it. He's trying to eat his own shit.
Yeah! I didn't even know it was poo until it moved. That's disgusting.
I love Barry. I love Barry. What are you doing? Wait, let me get a photo. Go a bit sideways.